how to log out of Amazon Shopping app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will simply guide you through the process on how you can log out of Amazon Shopping app, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you'd like to log out of your Amazon Shopping app, let's say that you are logged into your account, you simply want to go ahead and first of all open the Amazon Shopping app here. Once you launch it, you're basically going to set this type of interface. Then what you want to do is you want to tap the three lines icon from the bottom right of the screen, then just come to this option called settings. Then under settings here you'll find this option called sign out, right? So you just tap the sign out option. It will ask you for a confirmation, are you sure you want to sign out? So just tap on the sign out option and then you'll be successfully logged out of your Amazon Shopping app. So this way you can go ahead and log out of Amazon Shopping app. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.